Hi guys, today we are going to do some experiment. We are going to try 3 different lenses and we're gonna see the result of bokeh. For those I'm going to use these lights, these Christmas tree lights. So we are going to work with camera Canon 5D Mark III and with 3 different lenses. This one is super basic Canon 50 millimeters. Then zoom lens 24 105 millimeters and 135 millimeters. And we're going to use the same settings for all of them, and we're going to compare the result of this experiment. So there we go. We are going to use our first lens, Canon 50 millimeters, maximum aperture 1.8. So you have to remember that the object has to be pretty far from the background to get a beautiful bokeh. As an object, you can see that we're gonna use a glass to make it even more interesting. Okay, so to show you which settings I was using is shutter speed is 1 for 320 seconds and aperture is 4.0. Why I used 4? Because one of my lenses has maximum aperture is f4, so I wanted to use same settings for all of my lenses, so to compare, so result can be even. So I wanted to use same settings for all my lenses, so I put in one of them maximum and the others also use f4. So now we did change the lens, and our second lens is 24 to 105 millimeters, maximum aperture 4. So we're going to take you have to remember also that when you use the zoom lens, we don't need to move our camera far away like the fixed, like when we take a picture with the fixed lenses. So we can use the zoom. Meanwhile, if you want to make closer your object, get closer your object, or you want to get farther your object, you can use this zoom lens. And we're going to take picture with the same settings and same aperture. So we're gonna see results after we finish all this process. And finally, we are going to use my favorite lens, 135 millimeters f2 is maximum aperture f2. So in this case, since this is fixed lens, so the lens gonna be so close, so we're gonna have to move a bit farther or to take a bit farther away from the object. As you can see, it's gonna be a bit far away. So this is it. We did our third lens. So if you have any questions, write me back or ask me in the comments so I can make another video. If you are interested, please let me know. Thanks for watching. Bye.